everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing a Fabric server with the voice chat mod. Now the first thing we're going to do is on the player side, we're going to install MultiMC. We do this by going to the MultiMC website or multimc.org. Install your operating system. I'm using Windows. Go to your files, program files, copy it in. Now I already have it, so I'm just going to create a new folder on my second drive and boom. Open it up and double click multimc.exe. Select your language. Now if you don't have Java 17, this is really important to have to load Fabric because otherwise it will not work. So all you have to do is install it from the Java website. Allocate your RAM. Next, finish, and then log in. Now that you've done that, it'll basically just say, "Ooh, we're logging in, yay!" Next thing we need is a MultiMC installation with Fabric on it. Add a new instance, and make sure it's on 1.19.3. Now we're gonna edit the instance, and we're gonna click Fabric. Download Fabric version 0.14.10, and there you go. Now the mods. The first mod we're gonna get is the Fabric API. You can find that by going to curseforge.com, going to Minecraft, clicking mods, then searching up Fabric API. Scroll down, click Minecraft 1.19.3. Download the newest version. Next thing you're going to do is go back into that instance, click Loader Mods, then add the Fabric API. The next mod you need is the voice chat mod. You can find this by going back to the CurseForge homepage, clicking Minecraft, click Mods, searching up Simple Voice Chat, clicking this first one, going to Files, and selecting the Fabric 1.19.3 Simple Voice Chat. If it says Forge, do not click it. Now that you have that, click Download. Add that onto MultiMC. And if you like Optifine and want the zoom, we zoom from CurseForge again. Go to the CurseForge homepage, Minecraft, mod, we zoom. Click this one by Alexander, click Files, click View All Files, 1.19.3, and click the first one you see at the top. Just download it and add it on. Now the last mod we're gonna need is Sodium on CurseForge. Go to the CurseForge homepage, Minecraft, mod, Sodium. Click the first one, go into Files, find the one for 1.19, and download. Add and Sodium. Now we're gonna go onto server side. Now you can add all your resource packs and everything you need, but you're gonna add a new server. You're gonna call it localhost, and you're gonna put under the address localhost. No spaces, all lowercase. Now we're gonna need a working Fabric server. You can do that by searching up Fabric server download, clicking the first link. Now remember this, since you are using the 0.14.10 Fabric, select that and then install a version 0.11.0. Download the jar and put it on your desktop. Here we go. Rename it to server, create a new folder called server, and here you go. Double click the server.jar and it'll create a bunch of folders. Wait probably like a minute. And then you're gonna find eula.txt and change this EULA from false to true. Make sure it's all lowercase. Now double click server.jar again. And after a few seconds it'll load up a few more files and then load up this little application on your computer. Now go back to MultiMC and launch. Alright, now that I'm in Minecraft, you're going to configure it as you want. Load up localhost. As you can see, there's this little no connection sign. Hi, me from editing here. I didn't really explain why it's there, but the reason why it's there is because we haven't connected the mod to the actual server. So here's how you do it. On the server log, what you're going to type is /stop. And it'll pretty much just X out. So now what you want to do is you want to go to mods. Now you're going to drag in the voice chat mod and the Fabric API into the mods folder of the server. Anyways, now you're going to change the server.jar to fabric-server-launch. You're going to turn on the server. The last thing we need to do is you want to go to config folder, go into this voice chat filter and double click this voice chat server properties. Now for this part of the tutorial, you are going to need a port forward server. So in the description down below, I linked the tutorial on port forwarding. You will need access to your settings in the router, but other than that, it should be pretty easy. But just a reminder, you need a port forwarded server and you need to know that forwarded port. Copy the port from that port forward, put it in here under port, and then once that's done, /stop. And now you have your own little voice chat server to mess with. Play with your friends, have fun!